One good thing about our gas explosion, our recent gas explosion, which you'll see in another video, is that I've discovered that I can make really quick videos and upload them to YouTube really quickly using this new iPad that I bought. So that's one good thing. Anyway, this is our cold breakfast. Normally we'd have toast, but, excuse me, sorry. But we have no gas anymore, so we have cold breakfast now.
Nice to meet you. Shall I show you to my house, to my shop?
Your shop? What's that you've got in your hands?
It's my car.
Your car?
Yeah.
Oh, okay then. Can I be your passenger?
And this is my new shoe that's kind of broken, but...
Oh, another shoe. She finds odd shoes all the time. So there must be a lot of women walking home in Spain and they get home with only one shoe on. Yeah, go on then. Can I be your passenger?
Okay, come on.
Okay.
Come on.
Right, just a minute. Okay, go. Aren't you supposed to make a noise if you're a car? Oh, look, we parked at the bins. Really glamorous. We park at all the best places.
Turn your head, and there it is, one shop.
Oh! Oh, look. Oh.
It's not been worn, apart from an old lady who's...
Oh, look at that.
For her,
Oh, who's that?
and to you.
Oh, yes, I do recognise it.
And it's
That
on
is
the
my
tax,
bra
it's
that
from
I bought
supermarket,
yesterday,
12 euros.
and it's too big for me.
It's
I'm
12
always
euros.
buying underwear that
And
ends
it's
up
12 euros.
either
It was
too
12
small,
euros in the supermarket.
and Lottie has it, or a bit too big, and this one was too big. So that's now for sale, is it?
Yeah, it's 12 euros.
Well, you'll be lucky. Anybody coming? Oh yeah? No, I don't think he's going to be a taker. No, it doesn't look like it will fit him. And there's nobody coming down there.
My shoe is coming.
Well, good luck to you, Lottie. Anyway, celebrations, we're going to be making more silly videos like this with no intro, no outro. Outro, is that the right word? With our new iPad. So there you go. Good luck to Lottie selling my bra for 12 euros, which is actually what I paid for it, Lottie. You'd be really lucky to get that. €1 if you're lucky. Anyway, see you in a few hours. I'll come back and let you see how you get on. Bye!